Hello, this is Vaishnavi Shrivas, and in this video we are going to understand XSS. So XSS stands for cross-site scripting. What happens in cross-site scripting is the attacker enters some malicious code, usually the JavaScript code, into the website which create problem for other users. For example, how it works, there is a website which takes input like password or login ID, and the attacker enters the JavaScript code instead of the login ID. Then this creates problem. The website takes the input without checking it or without confirming it is correct or not. So it takes the input from the attacker. Now when other users access the same website, that JavaScript code create problem for the other users and they become the trap of the attacker. So this is how the cross-site scripting work. This leads to the session hacking, phishing attacks, which is nowadays very common. Now in cloud environment, XSS risk can be increased due to multi-tenancy. First reason is multi-tenancy. As you know, cloud allows multi-tenancy, which means multiple user can access the same resources. So if the attacker creates problem in resources which is accessible to one of the user, then it create problem for all the other users who further access those resources. Second is widespread access. As you know, cloud allows widespread access, which means the resources available by the cloud can be accessed globally. So it create problem for the all people around the world. If in one country the attacker attacks the data or the resource, then it create if the same data is accessed by other people in a different country, then it create problem for them also. Third is third party integration. Cloud uses APIs and other files from other resources. So if that API is not secure or contains some malicious code in it, and when it is used by the cloud, then it create problem for the users. Last is data centralization. All of the data is stored on one place. Then the attacker can easily access and misuse all the data available on that place. So these four are the reasons why there is increase in XSS in cloud. Thank you.